Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap University Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. Providing the right services for your long distance move is our main goal. We are a full-service moving company that offer more than just transportation to your new location. Here are some of the many things we can do for you: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It can be a little bit difficult to justify the cost of hiring a Florida moving company at first. If you're considering a local move, you should look at the benefits you'll gain for the cost. Since professional movers can save you time, you'll find it easier to deal with other moving tasks. You will also avoid injury, as the movers will take care of the heavy lifting. With the right professional movers like 3 Movers, the entire moving process becomes more efficient. You'll be able to get settled in much faster. A move that might take you 1 or 2 days will only take us a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our university moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.